Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up Nurture and your curriculum boundary once you have Nurture installed. So now that I have Nurture installed on my team, I will get the following screen on Getting Started. So I'm going to select Let's Get Started. First thing I'm going to do is select what subject this class is for. So you can choose one subject here, and if your subject is not listed, you can simply select Other at the bottom of the screen. I'm then going to select Next to proceed. I then select the reading age of the students in this class. So I'm going to say 15 years here. And again, I'm going to select Next. Here is our curriculum boundary then. So I have the option to upload my curriculum documents. So I simply do that. I can use the drag and drop function or select click to upload. And for this example, I'm going to use Senior Cycle English. So examples of documents I might upload in the background here are past exam papers, maybe marking schemes. There might be particular resources as well that I have that I'd like to upload in the background. So let me see, I also have this document on language honours. Also plans, units of work, all of those will help in your curriculum boundary. Remember that your curriculum boundary is basically the brain of your AI. So it's going to help the Nurture Assistant, which is Nurture's AI, be more specific and accurate to your particular subject. So the more specific I am with the resources I have in the background for the brain, the more accurate it's going to be in its output. Now you'll see at various stages of Nurture as well, you'll have the opportunity to upload individual documents like marking schemes to a task, maybe, resources to an individual task, etc. But just think of this as the overarching kind of brain for the assistant at the outset. When I've that done then, I select Finish, and here I am done. I have Nurture now set up for my class, and I have my curriculum boundary uploaded. In the next video, we will show you how to access the curriculum boundary after you have Nurture set up for the first time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.